And we're back with another knife review. This week it is the Boker Plus Roundhouse. Let's go ahead and cover the specs, tell you a little bit about the knife. The overall length of this knife is 8.25 inches. The blade length is 3.5. The blade width is 1.125 inches. Has a blade thickness of 0.13. The blade material is D2 with a satin finish, plain edge, drop point style blade. This knife was designed by Canadian Lorian Arnold and Bruce Bingenheimer, who passed away about a year or two ago, I believe. Can't remember exactly. The handle length is 4.5 inches. The handle is an even inch in width. It has a stainless steel liner, and it is a liner lock. As you can see, it's a manual flipper. 5.64 ounces. This one is a carbon fiber handle with a copper pivot collar. It has a 3D milled stainless steel pocket clip, and it only is a right hand tip up carry. It uses barrel spacers instead of a back spacer. Has some jimping on top of the blade, so it's easier to hold when cutting. This one has the number of 0172 on the flipper. I don't know why that's there. I've called to ask and see if this is some kind of numbered series, but I have not got a return call. I'm thinking that it may be, but no one mentioned it to us. Alright, let's go ahead and show you how this knife cuts. We'll bring out some jute there. And of course, since it's D2, it is extremely sharp. Out the box, which of course is everyone's favorite. They want the knife to arrive sharp. As you can see here, I will do a pullback cut. Both of these were cut extremely tight. Now for everybody's favorite part. First of all, we'll show you how it cuts on the tip. I don't expect it to be extremely sharp when it comes to tip cutting, because this knife is, kind of large. But cutting from the front to the back and the back to the front, as you can see, it cuts very smoothly, and with the weight of this knife, it almost cuts by itself. When it comes to stabbing and cutting, you can see that you can be extremely accurate with this knife. It is very easy to handle and extremely sharp. So this is the Boker Roundhouse liner lock and a flipper in carbon fiber. Those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and give us a follow. You won't be disappointed in the knife content we provide. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that is not only informative, but hilarious. And on that note, this is the Boker Roundhouse for the last time. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.